Hey guys, so I'm just showing you guys what to use. Yeah, I showed you guys a needle and a thread. You can use that if you want to, but I prefer a sewing machine because it is more efficient for me and faster because I can actually use a sewing machine. So what I'm just doing is just sewing it round. I'm going through a square pattern, but like I said, you can also use a needle and a thread if you wish. So after that, putting all my extensions on my lace net, I'm just passing my string through the holes on the lace net and using the tight knot to close everything up. But there's no drawstring without the tight knot, so you definitely have to tie that shit up. You have to tie it up. So guys, this hair is like freaking easy and it doesn't need you to get a new hair or whatsoever to use. I actually use one of my hair I've just had for some time, and I felt it was boring and needed a livening up and a change. So yeah, it's pretty easy and very affordable to use and make. So I'm just changing that up, to giving that new and refreshed look. Like when you straighten the hair, it just makes it come to life, like back to life. And I'm also trimming the tips of the tips that already got some frizzy and all that. So I just trimmed it out because it's not gonna look good if you leave it here. So you have to trim it out, yeah. And then we make the drawstring ponytail. Really easy. Now let's install that on my hair. Like, it is freaking amazing and I love this hair so much. I'm so super excited making this video. I don't know why I was just I was crazy while making the video. So yeah, we're gonna need some gel bobby pins, afro comb and a raticle. I don't know what I was saying. Yeah, and I weave my hair. I can actually weave my own hair, so she weaved it, but she wants to be seen on camera, so I actually do put it on. And she actually weaved it in a V shape, and what I'm just doing is brushing the V shape. I'm trying to do V shape, actually stand out and visible. And after that, I'm just going to tie that up with a band. She actually pleated half portion of my hair, so the actual half portion is just not a lot great. And after tying that up, I'm now brushing the other portion of my hair and gelling that up, and then I'll be tying that together with the first. And now, after doing that, when I'm all gelled up, completely smooth, but it's so lovely. So after this, I am going to go into installing my ponytail. But first of all, I'm going to put my loose hair into a bun. Now I'm going to install my ponytail on my hair. And now I'm just wrapping the string around my hair, for a secure hold. And then I'm just taking a little hair to cover the seams of the string, so it won't be this. And then I'm just gonna secure that with a bobby pin. In my edges, like you guys can see the look is already getting into play. You can even take it out like this, like right now you just feel like going out. Just doing a natural touch on the edges. I didn't want something too dramatic add a little bit of accessories. Very easy